Most cyber threats don't start with hackers. They start with humans, your own team. From interns to execs, every person with an inbox or login can either protect your business or expose it. It's not always malicious, but one wrong click, one reused password, or one fake support call can lead to thousands in damage. In over 80% of reported breaches, the root cause was human error. Protection starts with training. Create a culture of awareness. Set rules, reinforce them, and automate what people forget. Cybersecurity isn't just IT's job anymore. It's everyone's. Train your team and give them tools that help them protect you. The biggest risk to your cybersecurity isn't software. It's untrained people. Make awareness part of your security stack.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.